Hello. This is not my house. I am in Washington, D.C. right now. I'm going to be here for the next week, and I'm just gonna film my experience traveling in D.C. independently. Hey! So it's currently Wednesday. I've been here for 3 days now. I already got a sunburn, and I got some footage on Monday, but the coloring was wrong on my camera, so it all looks blue. So I'm gonna redo it today.
Welcome to the voiceover part of this video. I've done a voiceover once before on another video, but I never actually finished the video, so this one should be a lot better. So I'm just going to describe kind of what's going on for my blind / visually impaired viewers. So the first place that I'm traveling to is the World War II Memorial. This was actually a pretty peaceful first stop for me. Just the nature of the place. Everyone was being respectful to those around them, for the most part at least. I really enjoyed the sound of the fountains. There's like a little tribute, I guess, to each state / territory of the United States that kind of wrap around the entire area in like an oval shape, maybe like a football. And then sort of on my way exiting the area, I get some clips of the Lincoln Memorial from a distance. I don't actually go in, I did go in, but I didn't get any clips of the actual Lincoln Memorial, which I kind of regret now, but I got a lot of footage of ducks in the reflecting pond, so I don't really know how else to explain that other than there are ducks. I think at least half of this video is just ducks. I've been really into birds recently, ever since I got a picture of a hawk at my house. He landed on our front porch, and from the window at our front door, I was able to get a really, really good picture of him. You can check out my Instagram at Emily, EMILY _Wollum, WOLLUM. I'm like watching this video as I'm doing the voiceover, and these ducks are hilarious. They're like upside down trying to get food. So next, me and my dad, this was Saturday, we went to the Botanic Garden, I think it's called, which is near the Capitol. I didn't really get much of the inside parts, but I did get a little bit of the outside part, and then I think I'm about to start talking on the video, so I'll let you listen to that now.
I'm curious about this.
It's like southwest.
Interesting. Well, it looks kind of castle-y, so yeah, it smells weird.
This is what you see the pond and then the next hill area.
Cool. So there's bees there. Okay. We just left the botanical garden and we're heading back. Capitol's somewhere over there. There it is. Hello. I'm talking to the camera. Say hello.
Hello.
But I was telling the camera, the peoples, that we're leaving and we're going that direction now, somewhere.
Guess what? More ducks! Oh yeah. There was this pond sort of thing across the street from the garden, and we got there like just in time to see different little groups like flying in and landing in the water. It was actually really cool to see that. I missed a lot of them with the camera because I was like mid-zoom, so it was like blurry, but it sounded really cool. Oh yeah, there was some baby ducks too. So on the last day, which I think was Saturday, oh wait, the Botanic Garden was Friday, this was Saturday, we went to the Arlington Cemetery in Arlington, Virginia. We walked up to visit the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier. So there's this soldier guy from the military who like walks back and forth for like an hour, I think. And then, I think it's every hour. And then they do a changing of the guard every hour. And they basically bring in another soldier to like take the first soldier's place. And it's actually like really cool to watch and like listen to. So I'm about to start talking again, so I will let you listen to that. I will see you in the next voiceover.
So fun story, right after the changing of the guards ceremony started, probably like right as it started I think, it started raining. I had to put my camera away. It was a good ceremony and it was beautiful even with the rain. Actually I think the rain made it more beautiful. I had a great trip in DC and I can't wait for the next time I go back. I'm going to be going on another trip very soon, so stay tuned for more videos. At the beginning of the video I said I was going to be filming about traveling independently, and Monday and Wednesday I did go out by myself, but this video ended up not really being about travel, it was mainly about ducks.